So guys, in this today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate WhatsApp using Python. So first of all, we'll need a Python module called as Pywhatkit and we'll install in our system. So just go to Google and search for Pywhatkit and you should see the documentation over here. So you can just go through it and install the module. So I'll open here Visual Studios and open the terminal down here and install the module. So type pip install and the module name, that is Pywhatkit. So this should take a while for installing. So once the module is installed, next we'll write the simple program to automate WhatsApp message. So what we are going to do in this program is just send the WhatsApp message automatically. So first type import the module. So import Pywhatkit, and the next line of code will be to send the WhatsApp message. So type Pywhatkit.send WhatsApp what message, and within the run brackets, and the first argument will be the phone number or the receiver's phone number that you need to send to that you wish to send the message. So type the phone number within the double quotes as the first parameter for this function. So after typing the phone number, the next parameter will be the text message or the message that you need to send, that you wish to send. So type the text message within the double quotes. So I here type as happy birthday. So if you wish to send a birthday wish at 12 in the night, you need not be awake till 12 to send the message. Instead you can automate using Python. So happy birthday as the second parameter, and the third parameter as the time in 24-hour format, that is 19, and the next 9 is the 9 minutes, so 7:09 at the evening. And the third parameter will be the seconds, or after how many seconds you want to send the message. So when I ran this program over here, you can see it's telling that in 11 seconds the WhatsApp web will be open, and after 35 seconds the message will be sent. So here it's opening the WhatsApp web, and for the first time, if you have not logged into WhatsApp web, it may ask you to scan, and down here you can see happy birthday message has been sent. So that is a quick tutorial on how you can automate WhatsApp using Python.